Hi guys, welcome on Monday. Wanted to start this travel vlog to US. I just got ready. I'm super tired. It's like 6:40 a.m. Right now I'm gonna go to Anya's place because I'm still having her car, so I need to drop it off and then she's gonna drive me to the airport. I slept maybe 2 hours or something because I was so stressed that I won't be able to wake up on time. The flight's gonna be 16.5 hours to LA, so let's go. Yeah, that's like one of the last time that we see each other. She's going to Bali. We don't know for how long she's gonna be there. I'm coming back in 2 weeks and she won't be here when I'm back. So I have like 1.5 hours for departure. I'm just gonna check in right now and wait for the flight. See you.
Silhouettes in the neon lights, see my reflection in your eyes. Maybe it's love, or maybe the wait is over.
So we just arrived. I might not look my best, but waiting for Natalia right now, my friend with whom I'm gonna spend the next 10 days. I don't know, we were supposed to meet next to the baggage claim number 5, but she's not here. I told her that I look pink because I'm in pink, but anyway, she's still not here. And I was the one who was flying for a longer time, you know, 16 hours. We survived. I slept most of the time. I ate, and one of the girls from business class, she was Polish, she took care of me. She was bringing me goodies. I'm not even that anxious about my sleeping pattern. Like, I feel okay. I have a little bit of a headache, but it might be because of the time that I spent in the aircraft. I didn't move from my seat, so I was just sleeping. So yeah, might be that. It's been like 10 minutes. We're gonna be doing her COVID test right here. That was the super thing that I've ever done in my life with that drive-through PCR test, whatever. We could barely hear the lady that was talking to us and giving us the instructions. Right now we're trying to get an Uber to go to our couch surfer. Okay, so we live here in Santa Monica. This is our host. You want to say hi?
Here you always see.
You want to say hi to my...
Say hi!
See here, you see weird people every time doing yoga.
I wanted to say that it's more safe here, but still you can see the tents right there.
Mr. Moon!
Tattoos. You want to get a tattoo here? They're your friends. Okay, so look how many activities you can have here. Here you have volleyball, beach volleyball. Bye! That's why I love Santa Monica. Look at this, like everybody's chilling out. Natalia, do you have anything to say?
Yeah, I'm chilling too.
Look at this view. It's Santa Monica Pier. We're heading there. Okay, so we are in Santa Monica Beach. Here we have roller coaster and then Santa Monica Pier.
We're going to Hawaii in like 2 days, hopefully. And Hawaii is the only state that requires negative COVID test. It needs to be PCR test. So basically we scheduled an appointment at CVS, but it was a drive-through appointment, and obviously we're not from here, so we didn't have a car. So we asked someone who was already in a line if we can like get into her car, and she will basically wait with us for our COVID test to be done. So she did. She's super nice. We really appreciate her help and her patience. But it was just so dumb. It was a drive-through test where there was a window in front of us. So we didn't have like any contact between the pharmacist and us.
Nobody done it for us. We don't even know if we've done it like properly or not.
Yeah.
And then we paid a lot of money for that.
Yeah.
Pink
Jeans.
And then
And
white
the
shoes.
white shoes and same sunglasses.
Yeah, same
Unported.
Our couch surfer, our host lives here.
He's awesome.
Yeah, here's the beach, Santa Monica Beach.
He gave us like a cool blanket that we can. I'm also taking a bike.
Okay, so we just passed through the worst area, like with the homeless people. So many tents next to each other. So right now we are walking to that Venice Beach sign, like the lights hanging.
Yeah, it's hanging up on the street, above the street. Yeah.
So right now we're heading to Venice Beach anyway. Later we're gonna go to that skate park.
On a bike ride.
We have a lot of stores as well with them. This one, for example, this blue one, it's really nice. Or the yellow one. Anyway, a lot of shit that you don't need, but it will remind you about the time you spent here. I'm looking for the bucket hat.
17.
So I just wanted to get the plain one, either the beige one or the black one. The beige one is like $15.99. It's okay. It's like a store with the souvenirs.
Wow, this one's here.
Yeah, we might go there. Do you want to go there? And there is a skate park, as you can see. Okay,
There we go.
so just around this corner. So look, we went from there. Here's the corner. You go here, and you have that Venice sign. That's the Venice sign. Turned out that it's like too light to do the fixed Muscle Beach Venice.
Outdoor gym renovation.
Yeah, it's a renovation, so it was right here. You could just work out. Oh my god, this life here. Look at that. They're chilling, playing basketball. It's like 10 a.m. right now. He like just finished with surfing. What kind of chips you have?
Those are like organic chickpea snacks. They're obviously made out of chickpeas. They're like chickpeas. Like, I think you remember when you were a kid. Did you have like chips like that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And but they were like peanut butter taste. Like I cannot look at pink jeans, flip flops,
Jeans, flip flops,
crunchy. Okay. Kind of want to do the pics right here. Just did the photo shoot on the thingy thing of the lifeguard. Yeah, we're gonna just lay right now, get some tan, and have some snacks here.
Pretty good.
You were speaking in a different language. This is you?
Yeah,
You're so small compared to them.
that's because they're on a high cliff.
Tony, look back. I'm recording you because I want to have a memory that I know you. Hi. Wow. What kind of movie is that? So if I put it on YouTube, the people can Google it.
This is called Steven Stories, the movie. She used to be a porn star.
But she ended up being a movie star, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, my app is not working here.
So this is Josh. We found him on the couchsurfing app. We just hang out right now together, and we're gonna take a trail, and we're gonna walk to Hollywood Sign, which is like somewhere right there. So we're going right now to check if the gate is open. I stayed at the beach. Look at this.
I feel like you can't really tell on the camera, but it's red as hell.
No park access.
Jump, jump, jump.
Hi.
If we would have started earlier, if you look to your right over there, well, your left, my right, we would have done an 8-mile hike through the Los Angeles Mountains.
Wow.
I don't know if that's what they're called, but we're calling them the Los Angeles Mountains.
Yeah.
And we would have ended up
That looks like
at
a
the
long.
Hollywood sign over there. You can see the two.
Oh yes. We can see them already. This way or this way. Let's try this one.
As you can see, we fucked up.
Oh no, but we're so close. We can almost see the Hollywood sign right now.
Yeah.
We cannot even walk through it. So we need to go down again. Walk. But this way. Look at the view. Beautiful. Can we walk here? Because what was this chain?
It's just a chain. People
It was
wear
like-
chains. People,
Cross the chain.
cross chains.
We're not going there.
I mean, I would be scared that they can catch us.
Okay.
But there has to be like some kind of spot that would be legal. So we're walking out.
Sorry, I'm the worst tour guide.
So she almost died here. Look at her leg.
That's from Colorado.
But just be careful, guys, with what kind of
Colorado was
what
like
kind of
nothing
shoes you're wearing when you go for a hike. Like he's a professional. Like
Can
look
you
at
see?
him. Look at this. He bought this outfit like right before he met us.
I've never hiked before ever in my life.
Yeah, in a car.
I bought a car, everything.
We just came to Griffin Observatory, and he's arguing with us because he wanna pay for everything,
Yeah.
even the parking spot.
The meanest guy you can ever met.
The coolest guy. The parking spot costs you like $10 per hour, and that's the only parking you can get here if you come to Griffin's Observatory. Okay, so we just came back from the hike from Hollywood Sign.
Kind of.
Me and my mates. Pretty hot still. Everything here is closed, like you cannot climb here. But there are some trails.
Santa Monica, Venice, Hermosa, Redondo, San Pedro.
That's the other side. So the Griffin's Observatory is right now is closed, so we cannot get inside.
World famous Griffith Observatory bench.
Okay,
I don't know if it's world famous, but
let's
we're
go.
going.
We started here, so we'll let you know how long is it gonna take to get there.
Like less than a minute.
Bench.
Look to the left again. Those people were us.
Helicopters all the time. They're checking the Hollywood sign, right? But they are not checking only the Hollywood
Oh, no,
sign,
not
like
that.
all of the trails, right?
Yeah. Well, this was on fire a couple years ago. This was all burning. I could make something up. 17. No, it was like
Okay. 2000 something.
2010, I think
Don't
it
believe
was.
him lying all the
Everything
time.
was burnt. Like,
Okay, so we just came back.
to the right is the world famous Dodger Stadium.
The cars are here.
But if you're gonna keep it like that wide body,
So big. Some kind of spot. We don't know. Look at that.
This, I honestly don't know what it is.
The view. We don't know what is it exactly.
Did you show them the rope?
No, it's not a road. Look at that. And somebody left the shoes there. Right here. I don't want to believe in that. I cannot be. We can believe that it's like the rope for piñata, right? From the party. We
And
would
spend
really
lots of
recommend
money.
this app, like Couchsurfing app. First of all, yesterday we found the guy, our host, so now we stay like 1 minute away from Santa Monica Beach. And then today we found this guy on Hangout on Couchsurfing, and then like he just drove us everywhere. We spent
He's
it really
cool,
good.
He's generous. He's driving us around, and he's like no intention. I mean, we're only here for today with him, and he
Yeah.
still enjoys just spending time with us. We're hanging out. We're going to get dinner now, and
We could explore the city with him, you know, he told us some of random facts, whatever, about the city, and like showed us around. So it's super cool like to do that with somebody who lives here, because at least like You
like
can get to know the city.
like this guy, he showed us places that we would never even imagine like exist or like they're cool to go. Like he took us to this I think it's called Elysian Park. I'm not exactly sure. So he took us to this park, like where we could see the game that is going on tonight, basketball or baseball game. I never know. Dodgers
Stadium,
game. Yeah, we could see the game on top of the park. We had like an awesome view, and it was kind of a secret place where only local could know about. So it's really worth it. And yeah, we had a really great time. Like literally, we had an awesome day. This is the hide and swing that I wanted to show you. Look at that.
What happened?
Hey, what would you say if I told you that I had a drink today?
Whoa, cheers.
Would you believe me or no?
No.
Look at us eating ramen in a trunk.
It tastes better.
Yeah.
It tastes better like that.